This is Sushil. Today I am going to discuss with you the topic articles. The articles are a, an, and the. The articles comes before nouns and sometimes an adjectives in the sentence. There are two kinds of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles, a and an is called indefinite articles because it usually points out to an indefinite person, place, or a thing. Examples: a doctor, that means any doctor; an animal, that means any animal. A comes before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sound: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are 21 consonants in English. Examples: a toy, a ball, a watch, a boy, a student, a bag, a cap, a dog. Here we have used the article a because all the words begin with the consonant sound. A comes before the singular noun that begins with the consonant sound, whereas an comes before a singular noun that begins with the vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Examples: an apple, an eagle, an orange, an hour, an honest man, an umbrella, an inkpot, an unknown person, an educated man. You can notice in fourth sentence and fifth sentence the words are hour and honest. H is silent in both these words. Therefore, we pronounce as hour and honest. So, we have used the article an. Definite article. We use article the before both singular and plural nouns to talk about something definite or specific. In other words, definite article is that which points out to a particular person, place, animal, or a thing. Examples: I met a doctor. The doctor was very good. We have used article the before the word doctor because he is the particular doctor that I met. We ate an apple. The apple was very tasty. We have used article the before the word apple because it is the particular apple that we ate. We have an exam from tomorrow. We want to do well in the exam. We have used article the before the word exam because it is the particular exam that starts from tomorrow. Uses of article the. In other words, how do we use article the? Let us see one by one. We use article the when there is only one such thing. Examples: the moon, the sun, etc. We use article the when naming a noun that refers to an entire class or group of its kind. Examples: the dog is a faithful animal. Here the dog means all the dogs of the world. The cow is a domestic animal. The cow means all the cows of the world. We use article the before an ordinal numbers. Examples: I am the first person in the row. Please send the third person standing in the line. So we use article the before ordinal numbers. Here we need to understand ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. And ordinal numbers are first, second, third, etc. So, before ordinal numbers, we always use article the. We use article the before the superlative adjective. Examples: he is the best person I have ever seen. She is the most beautiful woman in the world. We use article the before the names of ocean. Examples: the Pacific Ocean. We use article the before the names of rivers. Examples: the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra. We use article the before the names of desert. Examples: the Sahara Desert of Africa, the Thar Desert of India. We use article the before the names of the holy books. Examples: the Holy Bible is the most read book in the world. The Gita, the Quran. We use article the before the names of the newspaper. Examples: the Hindustan Times, the Times of India. We use article the before the natural wonders. Examples: the Hundru Fall of Jharkhand, the Great Barrier Reef, the Victoria Falls of Zimbabwe. We use article the before the names of the monuments. Examples: the Taj Mahal is built by Shah Jahan. The Red Fort is in Delhi. I have visited the Ajanta caves of Aurangabad. Quick recap. Articles: a, an, and the are articles. There are two kinds of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an is called indefinite articles and it is used with a singular noun. The is called definite articles and it is used with both singular and plural nouns. Indefinite articles: a is used before a consonant sound. An is used before a vowel sound. Definite articles: the is used before one and only one thing exists, before class. In other words, when it refers to the entire class or group. Fourth, before ordinal numbers, before superlative degree, before ocean and rivers, before desert, before holy books, before newspapers, and before natural wonders. So here we have come to the end of this topic and I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you.